Have you considered using Quora as a way of generating free traffic to your Clickbank products? Maybe you have answered a few questions here and there on Quora on your spare time to generate traffic. This is the first of two videos in which I'm going to show you how to go about promoting your Clickbank offers on Quora, and we are going to do that right now. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video we are going to start off with why you should even care about Quora, and then move on to how to craft a Quora profile that will scream out authority, and finally we are going to look at how to find Clickbank products to promote on Quora. In the second part of this video series, I will be sharing with you tips that will help you find and answer Quora questions that will get you more people clicking through to your question and subsequently linking them to your Clickbank promotional offer. But before we get into all that, I would like to know in the comments area below this video if you have ever used Quora to promote anything online, be it your channel or your website. Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in tips, strategy, or review videos on products that will help you grow your video marketing, then you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button, and let's get started. So, why should you even care in the first place about Quora? Now, if there is any one marketing place online you need to pay attention to, it's Quora. Quora is actually an awesome question and answer hangout platform. Anyone on the platform can ask questions which other people answer. That means people from all over the world post questions on Quora related to all sorts of topics and categories. Whatever questions you post on Quora, chances are somebody with the right knowledge set will answer your questions sooner than later. As an online marketer, you can get access to over 200 million monthly visitors on Quora, which is a pretty good place to be when promoting anything online, be it your Clickbank offers, your channel videos, or your website. Simply put, as far as traffic generation is concerned, Quora is not going to go anywhere anytime soon, which is actually a good thing for you because without traffic, you cannot make any money online as a Clickbank affiliate. Traffic is certainly the key. Just check out how many views just this question is getting alone from Quora, and the beauty is that it continues to generate traffic. Now that you have an idea why you should care about Quora, let's now look at how you can get started on Quora. To get started is really easy. Simply create an account or just log in using any of these social sites. After creating your account, it's important to first get your profile looking like an expert in your niche. The idea of having your profile set up as an expert in your niche is for your targeted audience to see that you are qualified to be giving advice in your targeted niche. Now, like any profile account online, you will first need a profile image or a headshot. So you want to make sure that your profile picture resonates and matches with your niche. For example, on my profile account on Quora, I have this cartoon of myself with a laptop which matches my niche as an affiliate marketer because affiliates are basically online researchers, and since we are dealing with online research, computer is definitely the tool to use. Now, if you on the other hand decide to go with a health niche, for example, you want to make your profile picture reflect someone with healthy vibes. The other thing to pay attention to on your profile account is your account name and your credentials. You want to make your account name on Quora to be simple and easy for viewers to read. You can go ahead and add your credentials right here below. You want to pay attention on your credentials because the text will appear next to your name on every answers you give on Quora. You want to explain your expertise in simple but detailed ways that screams that you are an authority in your niche. It's also important to add links to other platforms like your social media site or your website so that anyone on Quora interested in the value that you offer may click through to get more info. After crafting your authority profile, it's time to start answering questions on the platform. But before we start doing all that, you will need a product to promote. So you want to head over to Clickbank and look for products in your niche to promote. Now on Clickbank, you want to click on the affiliate marketplace on the top menu here and select your niche category. Now, the Clickbank marketplace simply provides information on products being sold by Clickbank product owners. So, if you are interested in the health niche, for example, you want to click on the health and fitness category and then select the sub niche, which could be any of these sub health niches. Now, when looking for the best product to promote, you want to look for a product with high gravity, because gravity on Clickbank shows that the product is actually selling well. Gravity on Clickbank is simply an approximation measure of how many affiliates have successfully promoted a particular product on Clickbank. Basically, a high gravity on Clickbank simply means more conversions. In this example, since weight loss is a very popular and very lucrative niche, most of the products here have high gravity. Personally, I think products with gravity over 20 is good. Now, if you look at other niche categories, you easily see that there are products with far low gravity. Now, when looking for a product to promote on Clickbank, it's also important to check out the affiliate pages, because some product owners provide affiliates with extra materials that will help them easily sell their products. You can find the affiliate page of any product below the product description area right here. In some cases, the product owner can provide free content just for affiliates to either rebrand and use to drive traffic, or simply use it as it is. Now, assuming that you already have a product to promote and your Quora profile is set, let's now create a content that will help lead targeted traffic to the product you are promoting. Now, since Clickbank links are not allowed on Quora, it's always recommended to create a unique content. You can choose to create a review web page reviewing your Clickbank product, or simply create a caption page and collect targeted emails, which you can later promote your Clickbank products to. Personally, I use YouTube videos because it stands out easily among other answers on Quora. Many top marketers also encourage the use of videos because they are engaging and simply converts better than other types of content. After creating your promotional content, all that is left is to start answering questions that will generate traffic to your offer. In the next video in this video series, we'll be looking at tips that you will need for finding and answering Quora questions that will get you tons of views, click-throughs, and subsequently buyers to the Clickbank product you are promoting. Again, let me know in the comments area below this video if you are using Quora as a traffic generation tool. While down there, make sure to hit the like button, share this video on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.